Guys, this is a better look at the menu. If you guys want to pause it, go ahead, obviously. But you guys should definitely come down here if you're around the area. It's good, guys. It's 24 hours. My favorites are the bean and cheese burritos, the taquitos, the chili cheese fries, the chile relleno burrito, but no chili cheese fries today, guys. I am here at J&S. We got the food on deck. I got Crystal to my right. Say hello.
Hello.
So we're gonna get it in, man. I'm gonna show you what I got real quick. You know what I mean? It's a car bang life. Let me show you what I'm working with. Let me give her bean and cheese burrito. Oh, they're nice and hot, babe. Super bomb, super bomb. I wasn't gonna film this, guys, but I said, you know what? This is one of my childhood places that I've been coming to, like I told you guys before. So I'm gonna show you real quick what I got. I got their guacamole cheese fries, guys. My mouth is watering. This is gonna be savage as hell, so if you don't like sloppy eating, you should bounce now. These are their guacamole cheese fries. Check them out real quick. Check that out real quick, guys. Their guacamole cheese fries. And then I got their famous taquitos. Their taquitos are really popular right here. Check those out right there, guys. The taquitos on deck. Person's just staring like, what the fuck? Car rolled up next to me and they're just staring, guys. I hate that shit, man. People are so fucking nosy, dude. I swear. Go in on these real quick. Hopefully you can see them well. Like I said, I didn't plan on recording this, so I didn't, really bring my camera. I'm on my phone right now, but check this out real quick. You got your good cut fries, cheese on top, guacamole sauce. Check it out. Guys, so I'm a little bit disappointed today. I had a good opportunity that I had to pass up on, so I'm a little bit bummed today. I'm not gonna lie. The opportunity was very good, but I had to pass on it just because it didn't make sense in other aspects for me right now. So I'm a little bit down, but I think just in life, man, you're gonna have your ups and downs, you know. So, man, it is what it is, you know. Right, Crystal? Check it out, the taquitos on deck, guys. Here we go. Bomb. How's the bean and cheese today? Bean and cheese burrito, guys, on deck. Classic. I used to always get the bean and cheese burritos from here, guys, all the time. Right here, chili on top. Oh my god, look at the cheese coming out of there. Man, super bomb, super bomb. Let me get some chili in there. Slurp of the cup. Go ahead and grab a taquito. Here. So yeah, guys, I'm a little bit disappointed today, man, but it is what it is. In life, you're always gonna experience letdowns, you know. So I'm at one of my favorite childhood places right now. I'm gonna give them to Crystal. She could try them. I should have probably low-key got their chili cheese fries, but I'm trying not to eat so much chili cheese fries. Even though that probably doesn't make any sense to you because I'm eating fries right now. But yeah, I wasn't gonna film today, but I did. Oh, just FYI, their fries are crinkle cut fries. Old school shit. You don't really see that too much these days. on, you're full? You're full? You don't really like it? Just a quick mukbang in the car. You know what I mean? Finish off the burrito. Krista, did you know about this place before me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, guys. Yeah, look at that. Super bomb. Chris is not saying much. He doesn't want to be in the video today. But yeah, so thought I'd just do this quick little bang for you guys. Show you one of my spots that I go to, that I've been going to. We don't really come here no more, honestly, as often. But I said, you know what? I come here forever. Never did a video. Kind of shit what I'm working with. Binge cheese burritos, Arlie. So I have some leftover guacamole. So I'm gonna grab the binge cheese burrito. Yeah, kind of messy. I'm gonna grab the bean and cheese burrito. I'm just gonna put some of the guac on there on the top. Just thinking. Shit hits, guys, honestly. Bomb. Oh, FYI, what was I gonna say? Oh, this place is open 24 hours. Some of you guys might live around here, Montebello. And to me, if you probably stay around here, you already know what this place is. So, but yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video, guys. Just wanted to come through with a quick car bang, you know what I'm saying? So I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.